Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Learn grilling techniques, table etiquette, and how to make perfect Sam wraps to enjoy Korean barbecue like a pro. Banchan, the heart of the Korean table. Banchan are small, flavorful side dishes served with almost every Korean meal. With Korean barbecue, they totally elevate the experience. These dishes are meant to be shared and often refilled, providing a lively contrast to the grilled meats. You will typically find a wide array of banchan, and each restaurant might have its own unique offerings. However, some staples are almost always present. Kimchi, fermented cabbage. This is the superstar of banchan. Kimchi consists of fermented napa cabbage, seasoned with chili powder, garlic, ginger, and other spices. Its spicy, tangy, and sometimes slightly sweet flavor cuts through the richness of grilled meat perfectly. Namal, seasoned vegetables. Namal refers to a category of seasoned vegetable dishes. These can include spinach, segumchi namal, bean sprouts, king namal, or fernbreak, gosari namal. They are often blanched and then lightly seasoned with sesame oil, garlic, and soy sauce, offering fresh and earthy notes. Chorim, raised dishes. Less common but still a welcome sight, chorim dishes involve ingredients braised in a savory sauce. Examples include braised tofu, jubu chorim, or sometimes braised potatoes. These dishes offer softer textures and deeper, simmering flavors. The beauty of banchan is their variety. You can mix and match them with your meat, creating different flavor combinations in every mouthful. They really are designed to complement and enhance the savory, smoky taste of the grilled main course. Dipping and wrapping, samjang, jjiryumjang and sam. Dipping sauces and the art of wrapping, known as sam, are fundamental to the Korean barbecue experience. These elements allow you to customize each bite exactly how you like it. They add moisture, spice, and freshness, making every mouthful a new adventure. Two sauces are absolutely essential. Samjang. This is a thick, spicy, and savory paste. It's a blend of two main Korean fermented pastes, gochujang, red chili paste, and doenjang, fermented soybean paste. Often, garlic, sesame oil, and other seasonings are mixed in to create a complex flavor that is deeply savory with a pleasant kick. It's fantastic for adding a bold flavor punch. Jjiryumjang. In contrast to samjang, jjiryumjang is a simple, light dipping sauce. It's typically made from sesame oil seasoned with salt and black pepper. This sauce is a favorite for unmarinated meats, like samgyeopsal or chadolbagi, as it highlights the natural flavors of the meat without overwhelming them. It adds a nutty richness and a hint of seasoning. The art of sam wraps brings everything together. This is where you combine elements in a fresh leaf to create a perfect bite. Here is how you typically make a sam. Choose your leaf. Start with a crisp lettuce leaf or a fragrant Carelia leaf, kenep. Add meat. Place a piece of freshly grilled meat onto the leaf. Dab with sauce. Spoon a little samjang or dip your meat in jjiryumjang. Layer with extras. Add raw garlic, a slice of fresh chili, or a piece of kimchi. You can even include a little cooked rice if you wish. Wrap it up. Fold the leaf into a neat parcel, creating a single, flavorful bite. Enjoy. Pop the entire sam into your mouth and savor the explosion of flavors and textures. This interactive process not only makes the meal enjoyable, but it also allows you to control the balance of flavors in every bite. It is a truly unique and engaging way to eat. Mastering the grill, etiquette and tips for an authentic experience. Stepping into a Korean barbecue restaurant is an invitation to an interactive feast. It's an experience that values participation, flavor, and shared moments. For newcomers and seasoned diners alike, understanding a few key techniques and cultural nuances can significantly elevate your meal. This isn't just about eating. It's about connecting with the food and the people around you in a truly authentic way. Grilling techniques. from sizzling to perfect doneness. Grilling your own meat is a big part of the fun at Korean barbecue. Knowing a few basic methods will help you cook everything just right. Many restaurants have staff who will help out, especially if they see you struggling. Do not hesitate to ask them for tips. It is all part of the experience. Cutting with scissors. You will notice small kitchen scissors and tongs at your table. These are essential tools. Once larger cuts of meat, like samgyeopsal, are partially cooked, use the scissors to snip them into bite-sized pieces. This ensures even cooking and makes them easier to eat. Recognizing doneness. For unmarinated meats like samgyeopsal or chadolbagi, look for a golden brown sear on both sides. The fat should render, becoming slightly crispy but not burnt. Marinated meats, like galbi and bulgogi, will agera due to their sugar content. They should be cooked through, but still juicy. Do not overcook them. Rotating cuts. Do not just leave the meat in one spot. Use your tongs to turn the meat frequently to prevent burning and promote even cooking. This is especially important for thinner cuts that cook quickly. Keep a close eye on the grill to avoid charring. Utilizing staff help. In many authentic Korean barbecue establishments, the staff are happy to assist. They might cut your meat, adjust the grill temperature, or even cook certain dishes for you. This help often improves your dining experience. So, do not be shy about accepting their help or asking questions. Ordering like a pro and navigating the table. Ordering at Korean barbecue can seem daunting at first, given the vast menu. However, a simple strategy makes it easy to enjoy a wide variety of flavors without ordering too much or too little. Start with variety. A good approach is to order 2 to 4 different types of meat for your table, balancing marinated and unmarinated options. This lets everyone try different flavors. You can always order more if you are still hungry. Ordering for the table. Korean barbecue is a communal meal. Dishes are ordered for everyone, not individually. Think about what the group would enjoy. Aim for about 150 to 200 grams of meat per person as a starting point, then adjust based on appetites. Supplementary items. Beyond the meat, round out your meal with other Korean favorites. Many people order stews like kimchi jjigae, kimchi stew, or doenjang jjigae, fermented soybean paste stew, to share. These hearty stews offer a warm, comforting contrast to the grilled meats. Finishing touches. Noodles such as naengmyeon, cold noodles, are also popular. They are often eaten at the end of the meal. They provide a refreshing, palate-cleansing finish, especially the cold varieties. Remember to save room for these delicious additions. The communal spirit, sharing and enjoying together. At its core, Korean barbecue is a celebration of togetherness. It is an experience built on sharing food, conversation, and laughter around a central grill. This communal aspect is what makes KBBQ truly special and memorable. A shared experience. Everyone gathers around the table, taking turns to grill, cut, and serve. This active participation fosters a sense of connection. It is not just about the food, but about the shared act of preparing and enjoying it. You are creating the meal together. The joy of cooking together. Watching the meat sizzle and turn golden brown on the grill is part of the fun. People often chat and laugh as they cook, making the meal a lively event. It is a fantastic way to bond with friends and family over delicious food. Pouring drinks for others. A common tradition at Korean tables involves pouring drinks for others, especially elders or guests, as a sign of respect. When someone pours for you, you should hold your glass and maybe even offer to pour for them in return. This simple gesture reinforces the communal and respectful atmosphere. Embrace the communal spirit. It is more than just dining, it is a rich cultural experience that strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. Korean barbecue offers more than just a meal, it is a rich experience rooted in history, unfolding on your table with diverse flavors and a strong sense of community. From the first grilled slice of samgyeopsal to the last custom-wrapped sam, you are part of a tradition that values great food and shared moments. It is a chance to explore Korean cuisine, from tender bulgogi to the vibrant array of banchan that brighten every dish. If you have never experienced KBBQ, now is the perfect time to discover this delicious world. For those already familiar, consider trying a new cut of meat or a different banchan on your next visit. Find a local Korean barbecue restaurant and savor a meal that delights your senses and brings people together in this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.